For you since the last time I was with you just moments ago. First off, the 5 p.m. advisory is out on Isaias. It is still a tropical storm. Secondly, new tornado watch. Get used to seeing these. We're going to have these posted all the way up into Virginia, likely, as Isaias makes landfall later tonight and moves up through the Commonwealth. The good burst of convection continues with this as it moves to the north-northeast, and it has picked up speed. Now it is moving at 16 miles per hour to the north-northeast, and so it is increasing forward speed. I do expect it to be moving faster than 20 miles per hour when it comes through the Richmond area, maybe as much as 25 miles an hour. And you'll see how much ground it covers over a pretty short period of time. So this is over about the, 5 p.m. right now. So this is 9 hours or so, 70 mile per hour winds once it moves inland. And then over the next 12 hours, look at how far it travels. So it is a fast-moving storm. It's going to come straight between Norfolk and Richmond, maybe directly over the Williamsburg area. Again, hard to pin that down at this point, but it'll be close enough to bring all areas here in the orange tropical storm conditions. So we're looking at winds 35 to 45 miles per hour, gust up to 60, rainfall 3 to 6 inches, locally higher amounts, and we do have a flood watch for everybody here in the Piedmont and Tidewater and the Norfolk area. This is going to be interesting. They're going to have more wind, but they will have much less in the way of rainfall from Isaias. Just some cloud cover out there right now, some rain across parts of the northern neck, but light rainfall there. It gets heavier once you head out into parts of Culpeper and Orange counties, but no severe weather like we had earlier this afternoon. We had a couple of tornado warnings, and you see more storms developing down to the south in North Carolina. Those will head up into the area later on this evening. All right, some more in the forecast for Isaias. Let's go over to meteorologist Mike Stone.
Thanks, Zach. One good thing about the clouds and the rain today, temperatures have come down. We had a high again today in Richmond at 90 degrees, but thanks to the clouds and the rain, a lot of areas have dropped down to the 70s. Even now, it's 68 up in Orange and 70 in Louisa. Here's our future weather. We'll still have some scattered showers and thunderstorms this evening, and keep in mind with this tropical air mass, any storm that pops up before the main rain comes in will produce very torrential downpours. But here's the main crux of the rain coming in with the storm center. By daybreak tomorrow, it'll be raining heavy at times and pretty steadily 6, 7, 8, 9 o'clock. Notice the farther west you're in our viewing area, not quite as much rain. There's going to be a sharp cutoff of the heavy rain well west of I-95, but still heavy rain going on through mid to late morning. This little curl that you see here, that's the center of the storm tracking to the north and northeast very rapidly. Still some rain coming down, especially north of I-64 by about 11 and noon, but even that'll start moving out here quickly. The main swath of the rain gets out of here by early afternoon. There'll be a couple of widely scattered showers and thunderstorms possible rotating behind it as we go into the afternoon hours. Here's our severe weather risk for tomorrow. Again, the best chance is going to be right along the coast into southeastern Virginia. That's where we have the tornado threat. With the center coming up here, still marginal risk throughout parts of the northern neck down towards just east of the Tri-Cities, but not out of the realm of possibility that we could have an isolated tornado west of what you see marked here in terms of the severe weather risk. So something we're going to be keeping a very watchful eye on. Tomorrow, sun's up at 6:16. At least it gets brighter then. And then during the morning, 100% chance of rain through mid to late morning. The chance of rain goes down in the afternoon. Our high temperature tomorrow, only 84 degrees. And keep in mind, the longest stretch of 90-degree weather we ever had was back in 1995, 27 days. Number 2 on that list was back in 1993, but today was day number 25 in a row of 90-degree temperatures. The trend ends today. It will not include tomorrow, so we came in second place. We missed spot number 1 just by 2 days. 84 tomorrow, 90 on Wednesday, and upper 80s to around 90 the rest of the 7-day forecast, and a pretty typical summertime pattern, some scattered afternoon thunderstorms just about each day. Cheryl?